Good morning, my students, and welcome to your English class. Today, my children, we're going to concentrate on mathematical operations. Remember that yesterday we started with the review of subtractions. Now, before we continue, do you remember the word subtraction? What does it mean? Sumas, okay? And for the subtractions, we had two symbols, which are the most common. One was the cross symbol, okay? Do you remember what was it? Plus, okay? When we have the cross, means plus. And when we are solving the mathematical operation, we give the result, okay? And the symbol of the result, remember, two hyphens or two lines. One up and one down. That means equals or resultado. Today, we're going to continue, like I mentioned, with the mathematical operations, but in this case, we're going to see the subtractions, okay? Now, what do you think are subtractions? Instead of adding en lugar de sumar, we're going to take out, we're going to remove numbers. So, subtractions in Spanish means restas, okay? Very good. Now, we have today here on the whiteboard the exercises that appear in your textbook, okay? So, we have two forms to make subtractions. The first form is working with the numbers, okay? So, we have two digits and the result must be written with number. Tiene que ser escrito con número, okay? The second form is the same subtraction, la misma resta, but in this occasion, the result must be with letter. Tiene que ser con letra, okay? Very good. So, first of all, we have 5 subtractions. Let's commence with the first one, okay? Now, for this, we can use our fingers, okay? Remember, if the digit is very high, si el dígito o el número es muy alto y no podemos utilizar los dedos, we can make little dots or sticks, okay? Or small little lines. Podemos utilizar puntitos o líneas pequeñas para decir los números, okay? Very good. So in this occasion, it says 6 minus 3, okay? Now, something also very important. What about the symbols, teacher? Because remember, the symbols for the additions was the cross. In this occasion, the symbol for the subtraction is only a horizontal line, okay? As you can see here, and this symbol is called minus. Please repeat after me. Minus, menos, okay? And of course, the equal symbol means the result, okay? Very good. So, once again, let's commence. 6 minus 3. So, first of all, we have to put 6 fingers, okay? Here, please help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We have 6 fingers. Now, minus 3. That means we have to remove, quitar 3 fingers. Please help me count. 1, 2, and 3. So what's the result? 1, 2, and 3. That's the result, okay? So first of all, remember, using your pencil, let's write the result. Number 3, okay? Now, on there, we have the same operation, we have the same subtraction, but in this case, using letters, okay? Abajo tenemos la misma resta, pero escrita, no en forma de números, está escrita. Por lo tanto, el resultado, the result is the same, sigue siendo el mismo. In this case, number 3. So I'm gonna tell you how to write with letters number 3. T, H, R, E, and another E, number 3, okay? Very good, my children. Now, let's continue with the second subtraction, okay? Now, for this, we have two numbers. The first one is number 8. So, first of all, we have to count 8 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We have 8 fingers. Now, 8 minus 4. That means we have to take out 4 fingers. Okay? Please help me count. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So what's the result? 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 is the result. So remember, first of all, we have to write it with number. And once we have finished, don't forget that the same subtraction is on there, but in letter form, okay? So we have to put the result with letter. In this case, I'm going to tell you how to write 4 with letters. F, O, U, and R. It says 4, okay? Excellent. Let's continue with the third one. 7 minus 2. First of all, we have to put 7 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 fingers. Now, minus 2. We remove 2 fingers. 1, 2. What's the result? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 is the result. Again, under the subtraction, we have the same subtraction, but using letters. So it's the same result. In this occasion, only with letters. Okay? F, I, V, and E. The result, number 5. Okay? Let's continue with the fourth subtraction. For the fourth subtraction, we have 2 digits, number 9 minus 3. So, using our fingers, let's count 9 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, we have 9 fingers. Now it says minus 3. We have to remove 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. What's the result? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. That's the result. First of all, first with number, and remember, once again, the same subtraction appears here, but in letters. So it's the same result, but has to be written. Tiene que ser escrito. S, I, X. 6. Very good. And the last one. 4 minus 2. So using only one hand, because there is no need, the numbers are not that high, no son tan altos. So with only one hand, we can do the operation. So 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 minus 2. We remove 2 fingers. 1 and 2. So what's the result? 1 and 2. First, with number, and because it's the same subtraction, 4 minus 2 is the same result, but it's in this occasion using letters. T, W, O. Okay? Very good. Excellent. Now, don't forget, my children, that these activities, these mathematical operations, these subtractions are part of your activities, of your textbook, okay? Very good. So don't forget to use our hands. If you want to use another type of method, there is no problem, okay? Very good. I'm happy that you are doing an excellent job. Remember, every day try to concentrate, try to pay attention to the videos, try to do the activities with energy, okay? Because the teacher wants you to study hard and to become better every day, okay? So that's it for today, my children. Don't forget that the teacher Jacob, as always, I love you very much. I send you kisses, hugs, take care, goodbye.